الحمد لله الذي عافاني في جسدي ورد علي روحي وأذن لي بذكره.
Is also when people wake up, there are different virgins, and this is the beauty of Islam. You don't have to restrict yourself to one virgin. Rather, in order to be contemplating upon all of them, you say this once, you say this the other night, you say this then later on. So this is praising Allah again and again and again endlessly for giving you afiyah, for giving you health in your body, in your health, and restoring your soul back into your body again. Not only that, to allow you to remember Him. And this, wallahi, is one of the greatest blessings of Allah Azza wa Jal. Do you imagine that there are so many people out there who fail to remember Allah Azza wa Jal?